know we living hard. Hot niggas, you know we going hard. Superstar Angie, yo, we going hard and we putting niggas up that. You know how we get down, and we know we tryna hold the crown, and we know.
Hey, the story is to be told, never be sold. Say these niggas out here thinking that it's glitter and gold, but it ain't about that. It's about being real. And if you can't do the time, nigga, keep it real. Don't get out here and wanna sell weight. As soon as a nigga pull you over, nigga about to take the next nigga down, tryna take his pound. You a bitch, nigga, don't deserve to wear the crown. Nigga say you hot, nigga, that's not cool in my book. You need to get tipped, need to leave it in the dirt. Nigga, for the work, you should've got your face smacked off from the first time, nigga, heard that you got some fed. You should've been 6 feet dead. Say you don't deserve to walk around me. Said you's hot, you can get it from me. But I don't wanna do no jail time, so I'ma lay back. Cause nigga gon' get you from the back, and you ain't even gonna know what hit ya. Bullshitting and the nigga got with ya.
Niggas in the back always tryna act like. Niggas always tryna guard and act like. Niggas tryna go hard all day in the can of paint.
And that's the bottom line. Some real ghetto shit. And that's the bottom line.
Bottom line.
The bottom line. Hey, and that's the bottom line. I wanna say R.I.P. to all my niggas that done been out there and pulled that trigger. Real niggas that done did that time. Know you do the weight, nigga, you gon' serve your time. Say you did the crime, nigga, is what it is. Keep it to yourself, don't let the next in your biz. Cause soon you turn around and they testifying. Bullshitting, nigga, playing with your life when he the same motherfucker thought was your man, but he the same motherfucker getting on the stand. Hey, better reap what you sow. Hey, better speak what you know. It's not a game, nigga, mind your business. Cause someone that you act like a kid, you getting in this. And they know where you're looking back. Say he seen you from way back. Do the time if you do the crime. Don't snitch on the next nigga, you gon' die. Testify, nigga, 6 feet deep, that's what you get. Bullshitting, nigga, keep your seat. Hey, bottom line, nigga, keep your seat. Hey, bottom line. Hey, bottom line.
Bottom line. Niggas in the back always tryna act hard. Niggas always tryna fucking act hard. We just going hard with a mob, and you know we don't stop.
I need this one nigga named Jamal. He was faking like he had it all. This nigga stunting. He ain't had shit. He thought I was faking. He couldn't handle it. I was like, nigga, fuck this. I'm a real bitch. Getting real shit. Getting real chips. Nigga stocking in. Nigga pushing bands. Where your fucking brain? Cause you ain't shit. Nigga, you's a joke.